Hi, and welcome to a short video that I put together for you to show you the tracking app within your OneLaunch software application. By tracking, I of course mean courier tracking for all of the packages you might order when you're shopping online, for example. So we all know how many more people are turning to the web, to online shopping, for the convenience that it brings. Whether you're ordering online from a small retailer or, of course, Amazon, being able to track your package with that tracking number is super important to get a sense of when something will arrive. So we wanted to put together a quick widget or app that lets you do just that. So with all the OneLaunch apps, you are able to find them in the apps marketplace by clicking the gray plus button on the top of your OneLaunch dock, and then simply find the app in question that you want to pin to your OneLaunch dock for easy access in the future. So in our case here, purpose of this video, the tracking app, simply click it to pin it, and then from that point you're able to click the tracking app on the OneLaunch dock and it opens immediately. So in this app, we've quick linked some of the top carriers in North America: FedEx, USPS, UPS, and DHL. So you're able to quick link to them directly with a simple click that of course opens up in the OneLaunch Chromium browser that we've built for you. But more conveniently, on the left here, in this track your package section, you're able to drop down and choose the carrier that your package is being sent with, and then simply add your tracking number and click track. If you have a more of an obscure courier that we don't list in the drop down, you're able to go directly by clicking the blue link here to trackingmore.com for other carriers. But I've got copied to my clipboard, I've got a tracking ID for tracking number, for USPS. So I'm going to just show you how this works. USPS, enter your tracking number, paste, so that's my tracking number, click track, and immediately we open up. We're using Tracking More to give us the results, and immediately we'll get the results for that tracking ID, that tracking number. It looks like the shipping label has been created and USPS is awaiting the item. I'm not quite sure what that means, if it's from Nashville or they're awaiting the item to arrive at this address in Nashville. But clearly this tracking ID, it's at the very beginning of its process, hasn't started shipping, but as the history and the track record of this particular package populates over time, it will show here. I don't know anything about this tracking number. I actually just took it from the example here, which you're able to try on Tracking More. So looks like that's all it knows so far on that particular number. And then another kind of neat feature is we just keep a record for you, just for your history of that tracking number, so you never lose it. And when did you check it last? Just for your reference. Maybe you don't need to check it multiple times a day, but maybe check in once per day if you're really sensitive to when this item arrives. So that's it. It's a very basic tracking app, but it gets you where you need to go quickly to find out immediately what's going on with your package, regardless of courier, as long as you've got that tracking number. So we hope you enjoy the app and you use it and you find it useful. Happy shopping online. Thank you very much.